Hello. Good evening. Yeah, welcome to my channel. If today na your first time where you just dey watch my video, thank you very much and you're welcome. Now I don't know how to do am. The news will carry come. The latest news wey just dey come just now, it just dey make me dey laugh somehow. Just dey give me joy, dey give me happiness. Before I go start this news, sorry for me to say this word now. This thing where I want talk now. The news I don't put English where they talk say. Sorry. It be like say this coronavirus will happen. So it be like say one side the good, one side the bad. Wetin make me use this thing be say wetin we still dey see. Cause inside this coronavirus now you go see, you go know who be who. You go know the kind friends where you get, people will care about you and people will not care about you, and the country where you deal with. For people where they abroad, because of this coronavirus, things can dey change from negative to positive. Before we no go waste time, no go straight to the point. Go straight to the news. Wetin we carry come today? Germany. Thank you. I don't laugh now because of what? This is the first time where Germany news they come to my channel. Wow, and they come, it can't be saying a good one, they come. For anywhere where for they watch me, this is good news for all immigrants who there for Germany. If you don't say you there for Germany, this one no be say they still they wait for this law, they don't pass and come out. The law don't start now. If you know say you be immigrant who there for Germany, they don't sign law say this coronavirus will come. Say affect the economic. Say because of this border where they close, they can't block all the borders now. They know they see food no come there again. And now they know as they close the borders, they know they import food again. Like Italy, everywhere they just close their border. Because of that now they say, now they know say immigrants they help. Say they need immigrant. Say make immigrant make they come do farm work. Say now they don't sign up for the law now. Say if you be immigrant, say they first push you for camp. Say if you no get where they stay, or they reject you for document, or you be immigrant, you still there for camp anywhere as far as you be immigrant. You get access now to work for Italy for farm work. This law now start from April. It will expire on October. Now it will expire. Please, if you know say you dey for Italy, because this thing the opportunity of document. If you go for this work now, we be saying a government in Iceland, so be like saying from here they want to share document. I beg anywhere where you know say you dey for Germany, Bellerino, Munich, Dortmund, anywhere where you know say you dey. I beg rush me, go catch this one. As I just read this news, I say, wow, this coronavirus. So now they say they can't lack many things now because of farm issue now. Say they no come the farm, people will fed employ the food now. Everywhere they lock down, they can't close border now. Now as they take block the border now, they say they need to do it to start to the farm now. I beg anywhere where you know say you dey, please try go apply now. Because this thing they very, very important. As they talk about this law now, I read that. I know say it is very, very important. Because if you be place where they first push you there outside, you know how you take the manage yourself. This is the opportunity where you and government will constantly communicate again, will constantly do things together. Now for you to go apply, because they no make sure document. They say even though say you there outside, or they reject your document anyhow, but no be as they take make sure the name. After they make sure the name, even all those things still you get the name where they call them. But I just dey explain that for now. Me I no go dey make sure the name as they take make sure. If you say you want to hear as they take make sure and want to hear all the detail, you can call me. If you call me, I will just tell you everything. I will still send down for you. You will still read down for that place. You will still see everything, still see the pictures. Those things I beg. My brothers and sisters, my African brothers, all the immigrants, anywhere way for come, we don't know. But wait, as far as the immigrant for Germany, this law good because of this coronavirus now. I don't see what it cause. It don't bring something positive now for now. How to get the document. Now good news. Now we see so. Now good news. Because I beg me wanna try. If you know say you get the way first stay shift. Even though say you there for camp, they collect your money well. This thing opportunity, I beg now they beg you. If you see this video, try me share this video, and I beg and I beg and try me share am so that our brothers will be say they never see am, they go still see am. Try me subscribe so that any latest news again, you will be the first person to see the video, and maybe the one will still help you as we bring this one today. Now maybe another one will still come. Now it will help you more than this one. Now it will help you more than this one. Now it will come the more important than this one where you see now. Now make it good, make it subscribe so that you will see them, and try me share am so that people will never reach, because you get people will go there for Germany now because of this, they never read the news now, because you get some people where they coming news where I don't first share, they no hear am, because maybe now the last one where I can't share, I can't reach them, they don't know say the news. Those things happen. Now they go sometimes. Any news where you hear, try make you share am so that other of your brothers and sisters they go still see them. Because people wait there for your Facebook now just be friends. Maybe you know they chat with the person, you don't know where you did, but now be friend for Facebook. As you share and so you go see the video, you will just see me click and you go come see and something we go help man go change your life. Connection where they talk. Now you be the connection. Now you be somebody who will fit change person life. Through as you share and hear and now maybe person when first day outside no get work. Now you can't share the video. You can't see and say something where they do like this. You can't go apply now. They carry for the job. Can't they do it through there? Can't get documented. And now something where be say you don't in the presence of God. Forget about the person. In the presence of God now, you don't get mark for that place. You don't get mark. And that thing is something where God will take reward you. And even the way you go take see favor, not be through that person, but another person, another place, God will still use and take bless you. As you share the video, may God bless you. Please, try more share so that others will still hear the video. And so it still be, as I hear this news, I know say it is very, very important. Now I make a rush. But now bring on the news, make on see as it be. Thank you very much. Now for here now we bring up to the end. Still be a brother, African Freedom TV. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video and like so that you go still show me say what they do now still like them. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow. Good night and have a nice day. Bye.